how to create a radio page. Inside the system, a radio page can be created as an additional way to entertain the hotel's guests. There are two alternatives of how to do so. You can either access the radio channels library and select any station uploaded in it, or add new stations manually pasting in its streaming URL. Keep in mind that radio main page can only be accessed on TV and Hotpad. Please note that the radio main page can be created just once. Here's a step-by-step guidance to walk you through it. Go to Content Management, press Add Page button, scroll down and choose Radio Page Item. The following window will pop up where you'll need to enter the page title that can be automatically translated into all activated languages. There is an option of leaving the title field empty if you plan to place an image with the inscription radio on this section, so as not to make it look redundant. That done, click on the Media tab to either upload an image on the section in question or select an icon. To set an image, press the Click to Choose button to upload the required picture from your PC. As always, the minimal requirements for images will be indicated for your convenience. To set an icon for the main menu, select it from the icon drop-down list. To speed up the process, please introduce the name of an icon into the search bar. If you set both image and icon on the category, the image will override the icon and be displayed instead of it. Next step is to add all the necessary radio categories that later on can be attributed to the added radio stations. There is a default list of such categories that can be modified to your needs. If you need to set up a category from scratch, press the Add Radio Category button, fill out the fields in the pop-up form, and don't forget to save the data. This option makes it possible for guests to filter the stations by categories on the screen to easily find what they are looking for. Once all the radio categories are set, it's time to deal with radio channels. The default list of radio channels will be activated, and further on you will be able to tailor it to suit your needs. In case you need to add a new station, it can be easily arranged. Just click on the Add Radio Channel button and fill in the title field for all languages. If the channel already exists in the database of radio stations of the system, then as the station name is entered, it will be offered to use the value from the open drop-down list. Set a corresponding image, assign the category, and add stream URL. You will be able as well to test the sound quality. All this can be done in the respective Content, Media, and Settings tabs. On a side note, besides adding new radio stations, it's also possible to edit the previously created category. Press the pencil icon. To delete it, press the trash bin icon. To disable it, press the crossed eye icon. To enable it, press the eye icon. It's also possible to reorder the radio station list simply by clicking on the respective station and dragging it up or down the list. In the Settings tab, you can set availability of the radio page content to particular rooms by selecting them from the Display Group drop-down list. Alternatively, it's also possible to restrict radio page content to be displayed on some particular guest device's TV or Hotpad by selecting them from the Display on Device drop-down list. Click Save to complete. All the changes should be published to be visible on guests' devices. To make the radio section visible for the guests, don't forget to place it on the TV main menu, for those who have the Metro layout.